Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful Excel trick. In this video, I will show how to remove empty rows from an Excel sheet. You can see, there are many empty rows in the sheet. If I want to delete this all manually, then it takes many times to delete. So, now I will show how to delete all empty rows in just a few seconds from this Excel sheet. This tricks save your time. Select all rows and press F5 key. Click Special Options. Now, select Blank Options and click on OK. You can see all blank rows selected in the sheet. Now, press Ctrl+- key. Select Shift Cell Up from this dialog box, and click on OK. You can see, all empty rows deleted from this Excel sheet. Stay with us, for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more, new tech and ICT related videos.